Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can change a color of a specific word, for example here river and Kurdistan, to a bold and red color or any color you want. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. You see there is no color. Now let's start. Open ChatGPT. From here write that we want generate a code that slides. Just run. We just have to wait. Okay, here the code. Just open PowerPoint. You have to have developer. If you don't have developer, just from file, go to options, customize ribbon or advanced, customize ribbon. Here, just check developer. Okay. Now you have developer, click it, open Visual Basic. From here, come back to ChatGPT, copy this code. It's copied. Come back to PowerPoint. Sorry. Here, just paste, Control V. That is the code. Then here we have run. Okay. Open PowerPoint again. You see directly the words river and Kurdistan, change it to bold and red color. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.